Okay, what's up guys? It's me, and just me. Lee's at his house, sadly. So today in this video, we are actually going to be technically filling this Subway bag filled with water to kind of try to make it explode, you can kind of say. So we're gonna fill it up in the sink, and then over to in the bathtub, we're gonna throw it down. So we're gonna try to do that. So I kind of gotta set up the camera like that to make it a good angle. So let's get to filling it up. This is a not too long filling process. You can do it with any bag, just not plastic baggies because they don't really have enough explosion to them. So yeah, you need last time I did it, I didn't post on YouTube, but I didn't post it. I just filled it a Menards bag because those are pretty big, and I smashed it and it exploded big time, man. Okay, it's almost at the top, so we're gonna start doing this, and then, okay, it's filled right now. We gotta, okay, we got it now. Actually, thinking we should do it outside because then it'd be like a better thing. Yeah, no, I can't. It's gonna have to do it in the bathtub. So let's put the Okay, so I'm gonna hold it actually now. Ready, guys? 2, 3. Okay, hopefully it didn't bust on the sides because I'm gonna try it again. Check if it exploded. Oh yeah, look. That big hole. Oh no! Shoot, my speaker got wet. Okay, so we're going to go somewhere else because I'm gonna explode one more bag. Let me look for a bag real quick. If you want, actually, these bags, they're really tall, so you can use them also. But we're gonna have to throw this one outside because it's bigger. Because literally, look, that's a big bag. If you were actually here, you'd see how big this bag is. It's humongous. So literally, I was cleaning somewhere and I found this, and because I always like to explode baggies, I did it with my dad once, and yeah. Still doing it? Whoa! Big hole, man! You know what, guys? I'm gonna have to set the... Oh no, I thought someone broke into my house. I got scared for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera up. Ouch. Now, I'm just gonna hold the camera again like this. Oh my god, frick. Okay, we're gonna have to do it quick since the water's gonna... Ooh, it's heavy. Ready? 1, 2. That was so much water that time. And there's still more. Alright, so I did not think that was gonna happen. Okay guys, so that was my video for today. Like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. For every time I post a new video, you guys get the notifications. And comment something in the comment section. And comment what I should do next. And I will try to do what you guys say. Peace out, guys. Just kidding. I don't know how to do that, so bye.